Honda Civic 2017. All keys are lost. Already got the car open. This is the key we're going to use, the smart key. Push button. First thing we're going to do is immobilizer status scan. It wants to know if the ignition will be turned on twice. That's a no. Now it says press and hold start button, so we're going to do that. Okay, now it's on. We're going to click OK because it turned on. Now we're going to kick all keys lost, guided, start. Okay. Now it wants us to have one key in the vehicle, so we're going to do that. Press the start button. Now turn ignition off. Okay. Turn the ignition on. Okay. Did both lights turn off? Yes, the keyless lights have turned on. Turn the ignition off. Okay, it's off. Press the ignition twice. Okay, we just did that. Registering to complete. Turn the ignition off. Okay. And that's it. Works. Just like that. Now we should be able to start the car. Done.